Hello, and welcome back to the Science and Technology channel. In today's episode, we're plunging into the captivating world of the Internet of Things, popularly known as IoT. This groundbreaking technology is transforming the way we communicate with our surroundings, from the comfort of our homes to the bustling streets of our cities. It's a revolution, a wave of change that is redefining our interaction with the world. So, sit tight, and let's get started on this technological journey. First things first, what exactly is the Internet of Things? At its core, the Internet of Things, or IoT, is a concept that's not as complex as it might sound. Imagine a world where everything, from your coffee maker to your car, can communicate and interact, not just with you, but with other devices and systems. That's the idea behind IoT. It's about creating a massive network of connected devices and objects, all talking to each other, exchanging data, and working together to make things more efficient, more convenient, or simply more interesting. This network isn't just limited to your everyday gadgets either. It extends to industrial machinery, city infrastructure, and even natural environments. So, whether it's a smartwatch on your wrist, a smart grid powering your city, or a smart farm feeding your country, they all form part of this growing web of interconnectedness. In simple terms, the Internet of Things is a vast network that brings objects to life. Now you might be wondering, how does IoT impact our everyday lives? Well, think of the devices you use daily. Your smartphone, for example, is an IoT device. It connects to the internet, allows you to send and receive information, and even controls other devices like your smart home system. Speaking of smart homes, they're a great example of IoT in action. With a smart home system, you can control your lights, heating, and security system remotely. This not only provides convenience, but also helps to save energy and increase security. Then there are wearable devices like fitness trackers and smartwatches. These devices monitor your health, track your activity, and even provide personalized recommendations based on your data. Even in cities, IoT is playing a crucial role. Smart traffic systems, for instance, use IoT technology to manage traffic flow and reduce congestion. So, as you can see, IoT is all around us, making our lives easier and more efficient. Let's delve into some real-world examples of IoT devices. Picture your morning routine. Perhaps you're awakened by a smart alarm that adjusts to your sleep cycle. You head to the kitchen where your smart refrigerator has already taken stock of what's inside and suggests a breakfast menu. It even knows you're running low on milk and has added it to your grocery list. But IoT isn't confined to your home. Imagine a city where traffic lights adjust in real time to traffic flow, reducing congestion and emissions, or envisage a farm where IoT sensors monitor soil moisture levels, ensuring crops get just the right amount of water, optimizing yields while conserving resources. Even in healthcare, IoT is making waves. Wearable devices keep track of our vitals, alerting us and our doctors to potential health issues before they become serious. In every sector, IoT is revolutionizing the way things work. But it's not all smooth sailing. There are challenges and concerns. As the Internet of Things becomes more pervasive, privacy and security issues take center stage. Picture this. Every device that's connected to the internet is potentially a doorway for cybercriminals. The more devices we have, the more doors we're opening. And it's not just about the risk of someone hacking into your smart fridge, it's about the vast amounts of data these devices are collecting and transmitting, often without our explicit knowledge or consent. Imagine a world where your every move could be monitored, analyzed, and even predicted. Sounds like a science fiction movie, right? But that's the reality we could be facing if these concerns aren't addressed. So while IoT offers numerous benefits, it's important to remain aware of these potential pitfalls. As we embrace this technology, let's not forget the importance of safeguarding our privacy and security. What's next for the IoT revolution? As we move forward, we're looking at the advent of 5th generation or 5G networks. These networks promise to enable even faster and more efficient connections between devices. Imagine self-driving cars communicating in real time or remote surgeries becoming commonplace, all thanks to 5G and IoT. But that's not all. We can also expect to see more integration of artificial intelligence or AI into IoT devices. AI can analyze the vast amounts of data collected by these devices and make smart decisions, from optimizing energy usage in our homes to predicting traffic patterns in our cities. In essence, the future of IoT is about creating a world where technology seamlessly interacts with our environment, enhancing our lives in ways we can only begin to imagine. The future of IoT is bright, and it's only going to get brighter. In conclusion, the Internet of Things is changing the way we live and work. It's a revolution that's still unfolding, with interconnected devices becoming an integral part of our everyday lives. From our smart homes to our bustling cities, IoT is making its presence felt in ways we could hardly have imagined a few short years ago. Just think about it. We've spoken about how IoT devices are optimizing energy usage, improving our health, managing city traffic, enhancing agricultural practices, and so much more. However, it's not all rosy. We've also discussed the challenges and concerns that come with this technology, particularly in the domains of privacy and security. Looking ahead, we're on the brink of an even more connected future, with 5G networks and AI integration set to take the IoT revolution to new heights. It's an exciting time to be alive, and we can't wait to see where this journey takes us next. Now, if you've learned something new today, or if you're as excited as we are about the future of IoT, then do us a favor. Hit that like button and share this video with your friends and family. It's a small step, but it goes a long way in helping us bring more such exciting content your way. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the Science and Technology channel. We've got a whole lot of fascinating topics lined up for you. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.